Stop. If you say these sentences, your English is wrong. Let's fix them quickly. First, don't say, he don't like tea. This is wrong grammar. Say, he doesn't like tea. Don't say, I is ready. This is incorrect English. Say, I am ready. Don't say, very, very big. We don't repeat words like this. Just say, huge. Don't say, return back, because return already means going back. Just say, return. Don't say, discuss about the problem. We don't use about with discuss. Say, discuss the problem. Now you know these common mistakes. But learning is not enough. Practice is important. Repeat these sentences daily. Speak them loudly, and build your confidence. The more you practice, the better you speak. And very soon, you will speak English fluently. Follow for more English tips.